Wat la sorkar jela kadang elek kat bala ban khang ye kejing wan rung jong ki nong song sunong ki bana bar ka jela ban te la kam ye kejing sapriang jong ka klam COVID-19 henrei ka North Eastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences negrim span kalamat ye kejing ban pentri kam ye kejing perking namar kum ka jaka ajung sumar ka bahap kmi ye ka than stela mingi berok ka wei ka hap ban priang ya berok ki nong pang ki bawan na keleng ki jela jong ka than ka negrim kadai ka ba ajing sakri ki ba jong jela Meghalaya ba de ka than stela mingi berok ka wei ban ajing sumari ki bri ki badan ki jingpang ba per wat la ka jingpang COVID-19 kala sapriang ha ki jela ba per jong ka than henrei ka negrim kala beteng ban ai ki jing sakri ya baro kumba ka julia baro iskata tang ba ka sempat ya baro ki la jingeda ban pentri kam ye ki jing tha jong sarkar u director jong ka negrim u Dr. DM Thapa ulay thu ba kum ka jaka sumar jong ka than kahaban priang ya baro ki nong pang ki bawan na sabar ka jela Meghalaya bat ka hospital kamla satyaban kentat yaki namar kani ulay thu ba ka negrim kala penlong pongsan ban kbi benya bat le ekitas ba per ya ki nong pang ban penti kena ba kinde satya ki ba pang COVID-19 nalor kani upentip ba ya ki nong pang habaki one shop ka hospital hadien bala deple ekitas labu shwa yaki haki jaka ki bala tip umki COVID area bat hadien bala yo yaki kai khot le test bat ru hadien bala penti kena ba kim dan satya ki jimpang COVID-19 lapen kan ria na yaki saki non COVID area ban ajung sumari ki jimpang bikidan.
Ministry of Health does not give any protocol for interstate cases. Okay, interstate cases are something like this. Okay, so but we know also see we are getting migrants coming from various states. They are coming from various different states and something like this. So ideally they should have a quarantine for anybody coming, whether as a part of a patient or a part of a relative of a patient or attendant of a patient. They should undergo quarantine for 14 days. Actually, various states have already promulgated their Epidemic Act. Under this promulgation of the Epidemic Act, the inter-district movement, interstate movements being controlled. So the states at the time, places, they have put barriers and they screen the people who comes in. At the border, ideally, they should be screened by screening test, the thermal testing, which usually done. But that is not a foolproof mechanism to find out whether the person is COVID or not. The institute had made a policy that they may take the cases from other states also, provided they are non-COVID patients. So any person who is coming to us, because if he is from COVID patient, naturally it has to be notified in that state, particular state. In the institute, we have made a method that any patient coming to us from any other northeastern state will be go through the screening area. So we do a triaging. There is a set of questions which we ask. Do you have fever? Do you have cough? You have breathlessness, tiredness, weakness. These are the 5 basic questions which we ask. We will come to know whether historically or by asking these things, do person has the symptoms of this or not. If he shows any features of this, okay, so then we will take a sample from the throat or nasopharyngeal sample. That sample is sent for testing, and if person has very mild symptoms or no symptom at all, so then we ask him to go home. Okay, so we will not keep him admitted in the hospital.
Hakabay day pat baki nong pang ki besitam jur ki bedan kam mande ki operation bat ki bay uni ukli jo ka negrims upentip ba ka hospital kelabut perking bahai ki jing betha jo ka sarkar bat ka penti kena ba baro ki doktor bat ki nurse ki hak ban phong ye ki PPE haswa ban rung se ki operation theater kumju ru hakabay day bat ki nong ap ki nong pang ka hospital kala pentikna bakini ki brio ki diwen pendap ya jing le test ban pentikna bakim dei ki badan ya ka jing pang COVID-19.
But if most of the times these patients who are coming, they are having some kind of a serious problem. Okay, otherwise from other state they will not travel the border and come to the Negrim. So they may have some serious problem. But we wanted to rule out that they don't have a COVID. These patients who are having serious problem get admitted in the hospital in a COVID area. And in the COVID area, we keep the patient admitted till we get the result of his COVID testing. Once we know the COVID testing result, the further type of a treatment of that patient can happen. For example, if he is having a respiratory problem, he has a breathlessness, but it is non-COVID in nature, then he can be taken to the main ICU. But it's not that the person, if he is having serious problem and he needs surgery to be done in emergency, we may not even wait for the COVID testing also. In the COVID area, we have a dedicated OT where person can be taken and can be operated under the precautions which we use using the standard PPE. We will operate the patients and we will wait next for the COVID testing result. So sometimes you cannot wait for COVID testing result because patient is serious. So you have to treat the patients. Okay, so that surgery has to be done. Where we can wait, we will wait. Where we cannot wait, we have to go for the even surgery or whatever kind of a treatment has to be given. So this is usually the procedure being adopted in the Negrim. For otherwise, somebody will come and ask me, I want COVID testing. We don't do COVID testing if it does not fulfill the criteria of these things. I was telling you that each test to the government, it costs 1,500 rupees. Okay, so in a government setup, it is 4,500 rupees. And what is the standard protocol is to use RT-PCR test. Okay, so another molecular test which we are using is CVNet. Okay, in some of the labs now which we have allowed them to do the testing like Tura, is the TrueNet testing. But in the TrueNet testing, only screening testing is taking place. I think in future they will also in the TrueNet will have the another cartridge available which will be used for confirmatory testing. At the moment, that is not there at the moment.
Kanegrims kade kawai ni jaka sumar ka jela ka badan ni ki kor ki bor ban le test ki briu be suba badan ni ki jingpang COVID-19. Bat haka ni ka hospital labu iki kor ban le ya ka RT-PCR test bat ya ka CV-NET. Ban pentikina ya ki besa le test laki don ni AM ya ka jingpang. Katkum ka jing ong jong director ka RT-PCR kade ka jing le test ka bakam long tikina. Namar banle ekawai ka test ka simpor hadun rio kenta bat hadien balalap ba ubrio udon ya ka COVID-19 lalle pat sakawai ka test ka ba simpor sa rio kenta biang bat banyo ya ka kaipot kat ba ka CVNet kade ka jingle test ka ba simpor tang 100% minute kat kum ka jing thu jong director ya ka jingsim banle test RT-PCR hanegrims lanang penbun menta nakasis pa prapongut sa kasaus pa angot akasingi